red, white, and blue Jello pie. Alright, this is another version of this Jello pie, just slightly different. First of all, you're going to take any kind of red Jello, strawberry, cherry, what have you, and put in your bowl about 2 tablespoons. It's not going to be the whole box this time. You're only going to put in 2 tablespoons of the cherry Jello. Next, you're going to take 1/4 cup of boiling water and pour it in your bowl, and then either take a hand mixer or a wire whisk and just kind of beat it up, to kind of help break it up and help that hot water to dissolve the Jello. Then set it to the side and let it come cool. You kind of want it room temperature. Then you're going to take a box of blue, whether it be blue raspberry, blueberry. Well, I don't know if they have a blueberry, but the ocean water blue from Sonic, whatever, just a blue Jello, and do the same thing. Once your Jello has reached room temperature, then you are going to add 1/2 of an 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip to the Jello, and then you're going to beat it up, whip it up really good. It's going to look a little liquidy, but that's okay. It will firm up in the refrigerator. Do the same step to the blue Jello also. This step is optional. I took those Jet Puff marshmallows. They are freeze-dried marshmallows, and you get those in like the baking section. Or you can take just the miniature marshmallows that are softer, and I add 1/4 cup of the freeze-dried marshmallows, and I'm gently folding them in. Again, this step is optional. You can even leave out the marshmallows. But if you want the marshmallows in it, then go ahead and do this step for the blue Jello. Next, we are going to pour the Jello fluff stuff into a graham cracker pie shell. So you just pour it in there. You will notice that it's only going to fill it about halfway full. That's perfectly fine the way that we're doing this, because the blue will fill that on up, so it's okay. But I'll go ahead and I put this in the refrigerator. I put the lid on, put it in the refrigerator just long enough to where I can wash my bowl and my beaters on my hand mixer and all of that. So it doesn't take that long for it to kind of chill and just get a firm top. All right, now that the strawberry is in the refrigerator, I'm letting it cool while I finish this. Or not cool, but try to set a little bit. Gosh, this smells so good. Which I love ocean water anyway, but I haven't tried the Jello yet, so I'm anxious to see what that's going to taste like. But we're doing the same thing again, because I've already got, remember, 2 tablespoons of the Jello, 1/4 cup of boiling water, and then I'm going to take the rest of that half of tub, the 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip, and we'll plop that into our blue. All right, let's mix this up. So again, I'm going to take my Jet Puff, the dry marshmallow bits. So I'm adding another 1/4 cup to this layer. We'll fold that in gently. All right. See, that was enough to at least give it like just to hardened up just a little bit, and then I know it's not going to mix colors. And we'll smooth this down. I'm going to set this in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to top it with the Cool Whip. Oh my gosh, that's good. Oh my gosh, that is good. So I've had this in the fridge about maybe 5 minutes or so, just long enough to kind of straighten the kitchen back up. And what I'm doing next, I'm going to take another half of a tub of Cool Whip, just the 8-ounce, because you don't need much. You can put little dollops. It makes it easier to kind of spread around. The other half, I'm getting ready to make a cherry cheesecake, and I'm going to hopefully get that video posted too. So the other half of this tub is going to be on that. If you don't have time to make this today for Memorial Day, or if you've already made plans to make something different, then you can save this video and come back to it, and maybe 4th of July. It will make a very tall pie. Got some sprinkles just from Walmart. The only thing, you just gotta be careful. If you buy these, or tell people to be careful, or just not even put them on, whatever, but tell people to be careful, because them big ones will break your teeth out. So there we go. I'm gonna just put my lid back over top of this, and it will stay in the refrigerator for the next 8 hours, I guess. I may try to, if I don't forget, try to take a picture of what it looked like once it's cut and show you that, especially if you might be interested in this for 4th of July. Because I'm serving this tonight, not right now, I don't want to go ahead and cut a piece out and then take it to the dinner tonight. So once I cut it tonight at the dinner, then I'll try to put a picture either in my community section or somewhere. I'll try to post a picture, or even maybe on my Facebook. If you're not in my Facebook group, it'd be a good time to join. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And I hope you have a blessed Memorial Day. And I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.